Hi everyone, my name is Roberto Duterte Panbermanas. I'll be talking about ICT software and how does it help us in everyday life. What is software and why it is important? Software is a program that tells a computer or device what to do. Important because without software, hardware like computer or phones it won't work. To how does software acts as a bridge? Software acts as a bridge between hardware and user. It helps us easily than typing on keyboard or clicking on icons. What is system software? System software helps manage the hardware. Example operating systems like Windows or macros, what makes everything on computer runs properly. Example of system software. Example of system softwares are operating systems like Windows or MacOS with managed software and allows others program to. What is application software? Application software help us do specific tasks like writing documents or browsing internet. Unlike system software, it doesn't manage software. Examples of application software. Some examples of application software is used to Microsoft Word for typing, Google Chrome, Browin, or Zoom for online meeting. What is software is important for different industries. Software is important in many industries. It can be customized when it fits specific needs. School, hospital, businesses helps them run properly. How does managing software impact your daily life or studies or future career? In studying through tools, research and organize and enhance collaboration in your future career. Knowing how to use, evaluate computers, job opportunities across various industry.